Hello everybody, my name is Matuška. This is my father, Ludovit. In the world we are known as a Fiat 126 spare parts seller and as well as a Fiat 126 big meetings organizers. But we are also renovators and collectors of rare 126s. So we decided to share with you our passion and show you our collection. So this is what few next weeks you will see in our show or the vlog 126 FANatics. So enjoy, and if you're interested or in love with this beautiful small car, do not forget to subscribe our channel. You're welcome guys, see you soon.